When it comes to furnace repair, you want to keep your family safe and fuel bills manageable. For that, there's one company in the Greater Toronto area that stands apart from all others: Bosco Home Services. Providing over 20 years of industry-leading dedication, service, and reliability to our customers in the Toronto area. Our superior service and quality products will keep your furnace in top shape this heating season. Whether it's a furnace checkup or your heating system needs repair or replacement, Bosco Home Services is the smart choice. We offer licensed and background check trust certified technicians, fast response and 24/7 emergency service, upfront estimates, 100% satisfaction guarantees, and affordable pricing. Bosco is a complete home service provider too. We're also experts in plumbing, heating, cooling, drains, and waterproofing. Right now, you could save $27 off your furnace repair bill by using the code YT101. Just visit us at www.mybosco.com or call today 1-888-660-2645.